What's up, everybody? Today we're making a San-mai Damascus chef's knife. So Damascus steel is layered steel that's all squiggly. I don't know, you might have seen it before. Kind of looks like wood grain. So right here we have a billet of 288 layers, twisted a bunch of times. So it's gonna have a really awesome pattern. So I'm gonna flatten this out, and then there's gonna be a piece of core. This is 80 CRB2, great for an edge. So this is gonna go in the center. So basically, I'm gonna make a San-mai sandwich. San-mai is a Japanese term where you take a softer jacket and you kind of taco it around a harder steel core. Now these steels are about the same as far as hardness and carbon content, but I'm gonna get an awesome pattern out of this because the Damascus steel, the pattern steel, is gonna be in a jacket on either side of this core. Hopefully, if I get all the dimensions right, we're gonna have a nice black line with waves along the edge of the knife, and then up here at the top of the spine of the knife, there'll be tons of crazy pattern. Now that's if I get the proportions right. So we'll try it. We'll see. Chef's knife coming at you. So while the Damascus heats up in the forge, let's talk a little bit about this knife. So this thing, I'm gonna get the blade to about 8 inches long. Overall, I'm gonna hit about 13 inches. Now it's gonna be a hidden tang design where the metal part of the handle of the knife is gonna go completely inside a piece of wood. I'm also gonna attempt to do an integral bolster. Now that's where if you have the wooden piece of the handle, there's a solid piece of steel before it tapers down into the edge of the knife. Now, so when I'm forging this, I have to leave a really fat piece of steel right at the transition between blade and handle. And I'm gonna have to press and hammer very carefully to keep that in proportion. It'll be the first time I've ever done that.
So here it is. It turned out okay. One side looks really cool, I think. The other side is almost all core. I'm not real happy with how asymmetrical it is. So it was a journey. This is the very first time I've done an integral bolster. Never done that. It looks a little strange, but it feels pretty good. I don't know. I also don't do a ton of kitchen knives, so this is kind of just like one big crazy experiment.